Hello student. Uh, Today we see about the site selection. Already we are started the pisciculture. Within that introduction already we have completed scope and importance. That is the site selection. But what purpose of site selection? In the pisciculture means rearing and culture of fishes. That time you can construct the ponds or the fish farm. It's depending upon the you. That time the site selection is very important factor. It is a small topic. Site selection. When you select the site, many factors is important for the purpose of culture of fish, for the growing purpose of fish also. That's why the site selection is very important for the purpose of rearing of fish. Then soil quality and all these things are the introduction part about the site selection. Uh, Clay means clay is very important for the purpose of site selection. In the premises you are constructing the pond or the farm. Clay is very important. Water retention and suitability for drinking, and alkaline pH 7 to 7.5 to prevent problems that result from acidic sulfate soils. Example, poor fertilizer response, low natural food production, and growth of culture species is very low. It means that within the land, within the clay of that pond or the farm which you are constructing is very important, because within the clay or within the land there is the food, fertile, unfertile places. This is important for the growing for the fishes. If the land, if the clay is fertile, it is very easy to culture the fishes in the site. This is the basic concept of site's importance. Then about the vegetation means vegetation which is essential for the fishes but not in large condition. They are harmful to the fishes. That time you can cut all the premises plants and vegetations. Important thing, that is the water supply is also very important. Already I told that the pH in between 7.5 to 7, and main thing is that to become a safe the place where you are selection of site. And another thing is that the select the site near the house place of the farmer. They can observe the side of fish pond or the fish farm. Limit the size of site minimum necessary. Fish culture area must be away from roads, telephone lines and electric poles because they are harmful. If the telephone lines are near about the ponds, it may be a damage to the pond and all places, you know very well about that. Electric supply or the electric poles is also harmful. Many factors need to consider while constructing the farm or the pond. Overall, the must be a desirable and optimum the selected site. One of the important factor, that is the construction of fish farm, is finding the right place to the ponds. Then about the site selection, find a site appropriate to the surrounding. Select the site special design technique. You can design particular size of the site 10 by 10 or 12 by 12 or 15 by 15, and depth is the 2. Limit the size of the site to the minimum necessity. Fish culture area must be away from the roads because the pollution is disturbance to the ponds or the fishes. Telephone lines already I told, and the electric poles is also harmful to the place of site or the pond or the farm. Then the last point, that is the farm should be never a stream of water or lake or reservoir. of water in order to get adequate water supply, especially during the culture period. It is an important point. However, the major consideration uh, for the selection of site, that is topography, soil type and water supply. The three main things is very important for the selection of site. When you select the site, that is the three important factor: topography means surface feature, then the soil type, how it is soil, then the fertile or unfertile, already I told that, and the water supply. Water supply is also essential for the culture, for the pond, for the farm. This is the basic concept of soil, basic concept of